walking back down the main street, Komachi Street, to go to a restaurant to get some lunch. At 11 o'clock, yep, better start queuing in Japan for lunch at about 11:30 latest, or else you'll be standing online a long time. I don't do well standing on lines, so that's what I prefer to do. Here in Kamakura, just having a nice lunch. Get to lunch early so that you don't have to wait too long in line. I'm not a big lover of waiting online. So we're in our favorite restaurant in Kamakura. And we're in our favorite restaurant in Kamakura. They have these nice little rooms you can sit in. And Yanto's gonna press the bell. This is how you order. He pressed it. So now the waitress is gonna come. And I'm gonna have this one. Did you decide which one you want? Oh, that set. That looks good. Hi, sumimasen. これを一つお願いします。
天とじそばですね。はい。あ、天ぷらござい。お蕎麦つきます。冷たい、温かい。
Want hot or cold soba?
Cold. Cold. Okay. Cold. Menu, please. Thank you.
はい、ありがとう。So we just ordered our lunch, and we have some tea here. Let's try the tea. I'm sure it's good. It's a bit cool outside, so it tastes good. Very good. Yep. A lot of school kids going around Kamakura today. It's quite common. School trips, and they're in here for lunch. So Yanto's trying to decide where he should start with his delicious lunch. Let's see. He's gonna go for putting a little bit of the daikon in the dipping sauce. Give it a swirl. And some of the nice wasabi.